Today, I'll show you how to customize an invoice template in Xero so your invoices look professional and on brand every time you send them out. We'll walk through exactly where to click, what each area is for, and a few tips to help you avoid common mistakes. By the end, you'll know how to adjust your existing template so it matches your business style and includes all the important information your customers need. First, open your browser and go to the Xero website. Sign into your Xero account if you're not already logged in. You'll land on your main dashboard, which shows an overview of your business. From here, we need to move into the settings area where invoice templates live. Look to the very top left corner of the screen. You should see your organization name displayed there. Click on the organization name. This opens a menu that lets you switch organizations if you have more than one, and it also gives you access to your organization settings, which is exactly where we want to go next. From the drop-down or side menu that appears, find and click on the option labeled Settings. This is the central place where you manage how Xero behaves for your business. Things like general settings, chart of accounts, and, importantly for this tutorial, your invoice and document settings. Once you're in the settings area, look for an item called Invoice Settings. Go ahead and click that. This page lists all of your current invoice templates. You might see the standard templates that Xero provides by default, as well as any custom ones you or your team have created in the past. On the Invoice Settings page, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see an Options drop-down button. This menu is where you can manage the selected template. Click the Options drop-down to reveal the available actions. From the drop-down, choose Edit. This tells Xero that you want to make changes to the currently selected invoice template rather than creating a new one from scratch. Once you click Edit, you'll be taken into the template editor. Now you're in the fun part, customizing the invoice template. Take your time here. You can usually adjust things like your logo, business details, payment terms, and the layout of the line items. Make sure your business name, address, and contact details are accurate and up to date. Add your logo in a clear, high-resolution format so it looks sharp when printed or emailed. You can also tweak headings, such as invoice, due date, or description, to match your brand's tone, as long as they remain clear for your customers. Think about what information your customers frequently ask for and make sure it's visible on the template. That might include payment instructions, bank details, or a short note about late fees or preferred methods of payment. As you adjust fonts, spacing, and alignment, aim for a clean, easy-to-read design rather than something overly crowded. When you're happy with how everything looks, it's time to save your work. Look for the Save button, usually at the bottom or top right of the editor, and click Save. Xero will store your customizations and apply them to future invoices that use this template. That's it. You've customized your invoice template in Xero, and your invoices will now better reflect your brand and provide clearer information to your customers.